This is Hamza Rehan from Poultry Houses Consultant and HICO Poultry. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, we are already started to work with fogging system. First time in Las Vegas, Nevada. Into the grips. I will show you some shots. It's actually a brilliant club with bar and every single thing. And the most important thing which I have to show you today is all this fogging system. As you can see, so this is just a regular fogging system. It's not a high pressure one because it's give you a wet surface after you stand inside of it. But the high pressure service will also do that one too. Doesn't get you wet. And as you can see, it's a pretty nice location in Las Vegas, Nevada. Grips, and it's right back with me. I want to show you which one is it, how many nozzle, every single thing. You can go to our website. It's HICO Poultry Consultant, and you can see every single thing over there. Thank you so much. This is Hamza Sheikh signing out from Great Las Vegas, Nevada.